Waste. Everyone and every household produce it, and it creates problems. Our rivers that should function as source of life in ecosystem, but more than 80% of it are contaminated. Not only rivers, our springs are also affected by our waste. 4 out of 5 wells in Jakarta are contaminated with bacteria. Major cities' waste reach around 1 up to 6,000 every day. How do we solve this problem? Unilever developed Waste Bank program, a collective waste management system that will keep the neighborhood clean and even benefiting the community. Waste Bank Unilever focuses on 3 elements: people, standardized systems, and continuity expansion. Let us learn the steps to establish the Waste Bank. We start with approaching the community to the concept of sorting and recycling waste. Introducing them to the Waste Bank system, explaining the workflow of Waste Bank, and how to get benefits from it. Technical training. Set up standardized Waste Bank training systems. The trainer helps set up the sorting division, depositing, data entry, and waste distribution. We set the success level, target, and the profit sharing system for the Waste Bank. This training will be held in a small scope on the household and the neighborhood level. Once a collaborative agreement has been reached to start the Waste Bank system, then determine the name, location, and operation time. At this stage, it's important for us to determine the schedule of waste deposit. Waste classification, minimum weight of garbage that could be deposited, and when the depositor can make the withdrawal. Implementing the Waste Bank system. Firstly, the management should have a registration book to record the depositor identity number and customer's information. Secondly, management also have the cash book. It is a ledger that contains the total information of waste data, trash sales recapitulation, and trash sales value. Here are the tips so that Waste Bank system will operate effectively. Waste sorting starts from the house. The waste should be packed neatly. The management system should follow the initial standard. With decisive share of responsibility, it will stabilize the Waste Bank system. Set the schedule for deposit time, collection time, and selling time. Set the scheduled collection date with the waste collector. Find the collector with stable buying price. This will affect the customer income. Set the regular schedule for collection date with the waste collector. Customer need to have a book that contains withdrawals, deposit, and record transaction. These are the operational process of Waste Bank. Customer come with their waste and the passbook. The bank personnel must record the waste being deposited, fill up the waste data, type, weight, and the rupiah value to the saving book. The customer that left will be counting their income based on the records on their saving book. Evaluation and monitoring. Set up a schedule for calculating the total amount of waste collected, waste being sold, and the total customer being registered. With the increase of income, sales, and customer, Waste Bank will eventually reach to a higher level. If managed properly, Waste Bank will potentially be expanded to many economic benefits. There are several success stories of Waste Bank with its innovative expansion, like PJHI Waste Bank in Balikpapan, Malakasari Waste Bank in Jakarta, and Pelita Harapan Waste Bank in Makassar. PJHI Waste Bank Balikpapan, who are consistent and have created a brilliant strategy to reach success. One of them is proven by the household of 50 Manggar Balikpapan, Head of Household Mariono expanded Waste Bank with sewing machine and recycle training. It's a valuable asset for a long-term benefit. Pak Prakoso, along with Malakasari people in Jakarta, hand-in-hand building a better neighborhood with Waste Bank system since 2009. Now there are 264 customers ready to sort and deposit waste. They even make absorption holes, biopori, in the Malakasari neighborhood. Pelita Harapan Waste Bank in Makassar, under the management of head household Patagiling, the people of Balaparang have the high initiative to collect waste. The waste bank that was formed in 2011 managed to collect 2 tons of waste and reach an income of 6 to 8 million per month. Yayasan Unilever Indonesia first introduced the waste sorting system at 2001. In the year 2008, the waste bank project started effectively in many areas. Up until now, approximately around 30 kilograms to 2 tons of waste are collected monthly, with the onset of thousands to almost 5 million rupiah per month. Let's create a clean and healthy neighborhood. Together with Waste Bank, your participation are very valuable for our Earth and for the future generation.